Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Kia Rio. First, always check all doors and the trunk to see if they are already unlocked. Sometimes, a simple oversight can save you a lot of trouble. Next, try using your remote key fob to unlock the doors. If it doesn't respond, consider if the key fob battery might be low or dead. If your remote key fob isn't working, don't worry, you still have options. Most key fobs contain a hidden physical key. Locate this key, usually by pressing a small button or sliding a latch on the fob. Once you have the physical key, insert it into the driver's side door lock and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door. This method is reliable. If you're still locked out and the manual key isn't an option, there are other ways to get back into your Kia Rio. You can contact roadside assistance, as they often have tools and expertise to open car doors without damage. Another option is to call a professional locksmith, who can quickly and safely unlock your vehicle using specialized equipment. Avoid using makeshift tools. To prevent future lockouts, it's wise to take a few proactive steps. Always carry a spare key, perhaps in your wallet or with a trusted friend, so you have a backup. Before walking away from your Kia Rio, double-check that all doors are securely locked. Also, make it a habit to regularly check your key fob battery and replace it when it starts to get low.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.